Hello Year 1. We are on to lesson 5 in our multiplication, and today we are looking at solving some word problems. So lots of words to work out. What sums are we doing? First of all, I want to show you two tubs I've got, and these two tubs are identical. They've both got 8 counters in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you can't see those. But they are the same, I promise, they are the same. I want to know how many counters have I got all together. So I've got 8 in here, the same in here. How many counters have I got all together? How many different ways do you think you could solve this? How many different ways? If you want to pause the video and have a little think, do that. Tell somebody, how many different ways could you solve working out how many counters all together? Okay, we could draw them, and we could draw 8, and we could draw another 8, and we could add them up together. We could count in twos. We could double them. My friend said, if you know how many rows there are, that might be helpful. I wonder, what do you think that would mean? Do you think it would be helpful? Let's have a look. I'll show you there are exactly 8 in there, but let's have a look at the picture on here. There's our 8 chocolates in one box, yum yum, and there's 8 chocolates in there, just like I had 8 counters in one tub and 8 in another, but you couldn't see them. There are 8 there and 8 there, and the question says, how many chocolates are there in one box? Well, there's 2, 4, 6, 8. How many chocolates are there all together? Let's have a look. We've got 4 trays, 1, 2, 3, 4, of 2 chocolates. 4 lots of 2 equals 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's there. And there's counting in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. We say 4 groups of 2 equals 8. Now, we wanted to know how many all together, or how many in both of my tubs with 2 lots of 8 counters. How many all together? Let's have a look. We've got 2 trays of 8 chocolates. Here they are. This is what my friend said about putting them in rows, because we can count each row. So we have 8 in there, 8 in there, because they are identical. They are the same. Let's count on. Or we could say double 8. Let's count first. We know there's 8. So we'll count on now in twos. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 2 trays of 8 chocolates equals 16 chocolates. 2 8s equals 16. Or let's add 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. We could use our number line for this to check, to make sure we're doing it correctly, or to do it another way. There's 8. We need to count on another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It makes 16. So we can use a number line, we can count in twos, or we could say double 8 is 16. We say 2 groups of 8 equal 16. Let's have a look at our guided practice. In the picture here we've got 1, 2, 3 boxes, and it tells us there are 6 sandwiches, there they are, in each box. There's the 6 sandwiches. How many sandwiches are there in these 3 boxes? So we know there's 6 there. We know there's 6 there. We know there's 6 there. How many in all 3 boxes? How could we do this? What do you think we could do? We could draw a picture of all the 6 sandwiches. We could do little triangles. Can you see any rows in there? Well done, we can see rows of 2. So there should be rows of 2 in there and rows of 2. So we could count in 2s. Let's have a go. So I know there's 6. Let's go 2, 4, 6. Carry on. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. There are 18 sandwiches in the 3 boxes. Can you see any other rows? Or any other numbers we could count in? Something we tried a few days ago. That's right, we can see rows of 3. There's 3, 6. So it'll be the same in theirs. Can you remember how to count in 3? Should we have a go? Ready? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 sounds. Look at, we've been counting in 3s. Look, we've gone 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 18. We've done jumps of 3s. Well done. Let's look at number 2. Holly makes some beads, some necklaces using 3 beads. So every necklace has 3 beads. How many beads does she need to make 5 of these? So there's 1 there. We need another and another and another and another. 5 lots. Let's use our counters to help us with this. There's 3 beads. There's 1. Now she wants to make 5. There's 1. There's 2. You can always use these to help you. There's 3. There's 4 of our necklaces. And there's 5. How many beads does she need altogether? Shall we count in 3s? Let's try it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Well done. Can you see other rows? Can you see some columns here? How many there? How many here? That's right, there's 5. So we could go 5, 10, 15. Same answer. So she's got 1 set of beads, 1 necklace, 2, 3, 4, 5 necklaces, and she needed 15 beads. Well done. Let's have a look at number 3. No picture here, but there's some words and some numbers, and it says 4 groups of 2 equals. What's 4 groups of 2? Well, we're starting to count here. Let's count in 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 groups of 2s, that's 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2. 4 groups of 2 is 8, or 4 2s. 4 2s equals 8. What about this? 4 groups of 5. 5 and a 5 and a 5 and a 5. Do you remember when we did our groups? Could be 5 cookies on a plate, or 5 buttons on a plate. 5, 5, 5, 5. How many? Let's count in 5 4 times. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 groups of 5 is 20. What about C? 4 groups of 10. Shall we count in 10s 4 times? Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. Well done. Great counting. Now we've got 2 more here, and we're not saying groups, we're just saying 5 twos. What is 5 twos? Counting in twos 5 times. I think some of you already know the answer. Let's try it here. Let's count in twos again together 5 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's try it. 2, 4, that's 2 lots of 2. 6, that's 3 lots of 2. 8, that's 4 lots of 2. 10. 5 twos is 10. Well done. What about this? 2, this is a tricky one. 2 nines. How could we do 2 nines? Can we count in nines? Let's have perhaps we could draw a picture. We could have 2 nines. We could have, there's 2. We could do that 9 times. If we do 9 lots of 2s, or we could go 9 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 1 9. Let's do another 9 beside it. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 nines. How many altogether? Could we count the rows? Let's have a go. Can we see counting in twos? You can always draw a picture to help you. Let's count it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 2 nines is 18. What sum could we put here that's an adding sum? What sum could we do? Well done. We could say 9 plus 9. 2 nines, 9 and 9, double 9. 18. Well done. Have a go at worksheet 5, pages 45 and 47, and then there's a little challenge here to do. See if you can help Holly, who wants to buy 8 cupcakes. There's some pictures to help you. You can use counters to help. You can do drawings. She wants to have an equal number of cupcakes in each box. How many ways can Holly buy the cupcakes? Have a go. A lot of thinking there. Perhaps a bit of help from somebody older than you to help you on that. Well done.